Welcome. Understanding how visitors interact with your online store is essential for improving user experience and increasing conversions. That's where Lucky Orange comes in. Lucky Orange helps Shopify store owners track user behavior through tools like heat maps, session recordings, live chat, and visitor analytics. These insights allow businesses to see how customers navigate their website and identify areas that need improvement. With the right behavior analytics tools, you can optimize your store, reduce drop-offs, and create a better shopping experience for your customers. Let's get started. What is Lucky Orange and why use it on Shopify? Lucky Orange is an all-in-one website optimization tool designed to help businesses track user behavior and improve conversion rates. It provides detailed analytics that reveal how visitors interact with your Shopify store, allowing you to make data-driven improvements. Key features of Lucky Orange Session Recordings: watch real-time or recorded visitor sessions to see how users navigate your site. Analyze clicks, scrolls, and mouse movements to identify areas that attract or lose customer attention. Engage visitors with live chat and feedback surveys to understand their needs. Track where customers drop off in the purchasing process. Detect from abandonment issues and improve checkout experiences. By integrating Lucky Orange with Shopify, you gain deep insights into user interactions, enabling you to optimize your store and increase conversions. How to install Lucky Orange on Shopify. Step 1. Sign up for Lucky Orange. Visit Lucky Orange's website and sign up for an account. Choose a pricing plan based on your store's needs. A free trial is available. Once registered, log into your Lucky Orange dashboard. Install the Lucky Orange app on Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for Lucky Orange. Click Add App and then Install app to integrate Lucky Orange with Shopify. Grant necessary permissions to allow Lucky Orange to collect data from your store. Connect your Shopify store. After installation, open the Lucky Orange dashboard. Enter your Shopify store URL when prompted. Hit Verify Connection to confirm successful integration. Once verified, Lucky Orange will begin tracking your store's visitors and behavior data. Number 3. Exploring Lucky Orange dashboard and features. Once Lucky Orange is installed, you'll have access to a powerful dashboard where you can monitor real-time visitor activity and analyze customer behavior. Live visitors and real-time dashboard. Here, active users on your Shopify store. See where they came from. Which pages they visit and their actions in real time. Identify high exit pages and improve them to increase conversions. Session recordings. Watch and analyze user behavior. Go to recordings in your Lucky Orange dashboard. Select a session to watch how a visitor interacts with your store. Identify usability issues, navigation problems, and checkout bottlenecks. Pro tip: use filters to analyze recordings by device type, location, or behavior. Example: abandoned cart sessions. Heat maps. Visualizing user interaction. Lucky Orange provides heat maps to track clicks, scroll jet, and mouse movements on your Shopify store. Navigate to heat maps in the dashboard. Select a page. Example: home page, product page, checkout page. Analyze heat maps to see where users click the most and where they lose interest. Optimize page layout, button placements, and calls to action based on heat map insights. If users aren't clicking on important elements, e.g. add to cart button, consider changing its size, color, or position. Number 4. Using Lucky Orange to boost conversions. Optimizing your Shopify store based on Lucky Orange data. Now that you have visitor data, let's apply it to improve conversions. Identify checkout abandonment issues using session recordings. Optimize form fields and remove unnecessary steps. Enable autofill options to speed up checkout. Use heat maps to see if visitors interact with product images, descriptions, or reviews. Add high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Highlight trust factors, money-back guarantees, customer reviews. 3. Refine navigation and user flow. Check recordings for confusing navigation patterns. Simplify the menu and category structure. Make search functionality more intuitive. 4. Engage visitors with live chat and surveys. Enable live chat to answer customer questions instantly. Set up surveys to collect feedback from visitors about their experience. Offer personalized product recommendations based on chat interactions. Pro tip: A/B tests different layouts and CTA buttons based on Lucky Orange. Insights to see what improves conversions. Tracking and analyzing conversion funnels. Lucky Orange conversion funnels feature helps identify where visitors draft off in the buying process. How to set up a conversion funnel. In Lucky Orange, in the Lucky Orange dashboard, go to funnels. Click Create New Funnel and enter a funnel name. Example: Checkout funnel. Add the steps users go through. Product page, cart page, checkout, thank you page. Analyze where users exit and optimize problem areas. If many users drop off at the cart page, consider offering free shipping or reducing distractions. Number 6. Advanced Lucky Orange settings for Shopify. Setting up alerts and reports enabled daily or weekly reports to monitor store performance. Set up alerts for high bounce rates or checkout drop-offs. Integrating Lucky Orange with other tools. Connect Lucky Orange with Google Analytics for deeper insights. Sync with Facebook Pixel to refine ad targeting based on visitor behavior. Using UTM tracking to measure campaign effectiveness. Add UTM parameters to links to see which marketing campaigns drive the most conversions. Analyze user behavior from different traffic sources, e.g., social media, mail campaigns, PPC ads. Number 7. Common issues and troubleshooting Lucky Orange not tracking visitors. Ensure the tracking code is installed correctly. Clear cache and refresh the site. Check if ad blockers are preventing tracking. Session recordings not playing. Verify that correct pages are being recorded. Adjust recording filters. Example: session length. Device type: heat map data not showing. Allow enough traffic to generate heat map data. Ensure Lucky Orange is installed on all store pages. Conclusion: is Lucky Orange worth using on Shopify in 2025? Lucky Orange is one of the best tools for tracking user behavior, optimizing store performance, and boosting conversions on Shopify. By utilizing its session recordings, heat maps, conversion funnels, and live chat features, you can gain valuable insights into customer interactions and make data-driven improvements, whether you are looking to reduce cart abandonment, improve product pages, or refine the checkout process. Lucky Orange provides the data you need to enhance your Shopify store's success in 2025. Start optimizing your Shopify store today. Now that you know how to set up and use Lucky Orange, it is time. Thank you for watching this Lucky Orange Shopify setup tutorial. Tracking real user behavior can help you understand what works on your website and where improvements are needed. Tools like Lucky Orange make it easier to analyze visitor interactions and optimize your store for better performance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on Shopify apps, analytics tools, and e-commerce software. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.